So good day everyone. So for today's video, I am going to discuss about nutrition for health, or the importance of nutrition to our life as a human being. So at this very moment, we will start our discussion about this topic. So for today's video, I am going to discuss to you about what is nutrition, the 6 main groups of nutrients, and lastly, the classification of nutrients. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is an important part of one's overall health and growth. Better nutrition is linked to better baby, child, and maternal health, as well as stronger immune systems, healthy pregnancy and childbirth, and a reduced risk of non-communicable diseases. To classify foods according to its nutrients and to know what are the 6 main nutrients, to know what is the difference of micronutrients and macronutrients, we will proceed to the other slide. So, what have you seen in the pictures? Do these pictures have something in common? Yes, they have something in common. They are all foods that contains different nutrients, different classification of nutrients, as well as different main groups of nutrients. So moving on, we will know what is nutrients all about. So nutrients are compounds in foods essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth, and substances necessary to regulate chemical processes. So for us to know, there are 6 major nutrients. So the following are they: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. So from now on, I am going to discuss the main groups of nutrients. So first, what is carbohydrates? So carbohydrates is the nutrients that provides energy in the form of calories that the body needs to be able to work. And then the second one is fats or lipids. So what is lipids? It is the nutrients that gives us energy. And then the third one is water. What is water? Water gives us the nutrients and carries oxygen to our body. And then the fourth one is vitamins. What is vitamins? Vitamins is a substance that our bodies need to develop and function normally. And the fifth one is protein. So what is protein? Proteins are large biomolecules and macromolecules that are comprised of one or more long chains of amino acid residues. So the last one is the minerals. So what is minerals? Minerals are those elements on the earth in the foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Classification of nutrients. So there are 2 classifications of nutrients, and they are the micronutrients and the macronutrients. So first, I am going to discuss to you what is micronutrients all about. So micronutrients are essential elements required by organisms in varying quantities throughout life to orchestrate a range of psychological functions to maintain health. And then the second one is the macronutrients. So macronutrients are the nutrients that we need in a larger quantities that provides us with energy. In other words, fat, protein, and carbohydrates. So micronutrients are mostly vitamins and minerals and are equally important but consumed in a very small amount. So here are the teaching strategies. So the teaching strategies are: first is the lecture, discussing and asking the students what are the nutrients and the 2 classification of nutrients, and having them to classify the foods according to the nutrients and differentiate with classification. So the advantage of this strategy is that learners are learn information in a precise way, organize and understand the difference and the similarities of 2 classification. So I have here an assessment for my learners to be answered. So the direction here is classify whether micronutrients or macronutrients. And here are the choices. From this lecture, I apply semi-detailed lesson plan. So that would be all. Thank you and God bless.